So that completes the material for writing entire programs. We will have a project where you have to write another program, entire program coming up, another game, but just a little summary on the material that we've covered. So our major goal as Python programmers is to write complete Python programs that complete some kind of task. We're not here just to answer a bunch of exercises. Those are good to learn the fundamentals, but eventually we have to aggregate all of our knowledge and to write these programs. So that's what we started doing today, beginning with the Hello World program and then the Trivia program. So we're going to use source code editors like VS Code. This is a very good one. To actually run the code, we do so in a terminal or Anaconda prompt, issuing the command Python and then the program name. So we created this trivia game. There was comments in it. We collected user input that was new. We used a bunch of if-else statements to control the flow of the game based on whether the question was answered correctly or incorrectly. All right, so that's a little bit of a summary on this module on writing entire programs.